Now the next question was find an ascending power of x. So when we talk about the ascending power of x, that is means increasing power of x, not descending. Ascending means this is x, this is x square, that is x cube, x power 4. These are the ascending powers of x, and descending power of x is, that is x to the power 5, x to the power 4, x to the power 3, x to the power. These are the descending and ascending. So we have to write this in the ascending power of x. Up to and including terms in x cube. So whenever we have this kind of a question, what we do is, we remove this. So we have to do the expansion. Now we know it very well. We have first term we have is, so we can write it like this way. It's easy to solve such kind of question. First is, so first thing we write 13 C0, 13 C1, 13 C2, 13 C3, 13 C4. We have to write like this. Then this is 2, first term is 2, and second term is x over 8, x over 8, x over 8. So that's how the pattern is there, x over 8 and x over 8. The binomial is not very difficult. It is the only that you should know how to write the pattern. Now we start with power 13, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. Now either you write in the decreasing order or you do one thing. 13 plus 0 is 13, 12 and 1 is 13, 11 and 2 is 13, 10 plus 3 is 13, 9 plus 4 is 13. Now we have to write only x to the power 3. So this we can see is x to the power 3. So there is no need to write this term. Now x to the power, anything power 0 is 1. So this is 13C0 is 1. 2 is to the power 13 is, if you check your calculator, it is 8192. 13C2, 13C1 is 13. 2 is to the power 12 is 4096. And this is x over 8. So if you calculate, this is going to be 6656x. 13C2, you check your calculator, it is 78, and 2 is to the power 11 is, 2 is to the power 10 is 1024, so 2048. 2048, and this is x square over 8 multiply 8. If you calculate this, this will be 2496 x square, and the last term is 13C3 is 13C3. So 13C3 is 286. 286. 2 is to the power 10 is 1024. Then this is x cube divided by 8 cube is 8 multiply 8 multiply 8. So if you calculate, you are going to get it 572 x cube. So the answer of this question is 8192 plus 6656 plus 2496 88566 plus 2496 x square and then 572 x cube. And then plus other terms are there. So this is the expansion. So this question was a 4 marks. It's very easy. Used to find the approximate value. So this is the value of, this was the value of 2 plus x over 8 to the power 13. And we have to calculate the value of 2.0125 is to the power 30. Now if we compare all these things, you can see the 2 is here, the 2 is this one, power 13 is there, power 13 is there, x over 8, and this is, so we can easily say that x over 8 is equal to 0.0125. So it shows that x is equal to 8 times 5 is 40, here is 0, 125 times 8 is 1. So x is only 0.1. So to get this value, so 2 is to 2 plus x over 8 to the power 13 is equal to 8192 plus 6656x plus 2496 x square plus 572 x cube. Now this x I'm going to replace by 0.1. So I'm going to write it like this, 2, and you can check it, 0.1 over 8, you will get 0.0125. So all this x is going to replace by 0.1. So this is 8192. This is 0.1, so this will become 665.6. So 0.1 is, so this will become 24.96. And the last will become 0.572. 1, 2, 3 digits. So if you calculate it, it is going to be 888.8883. These are the 4 digits. Point, this is 2, 6 times 2, 12, 1, 13, 3. And this is 1. So that is the answer of part B. This was A. Now, without calculating, so this is without calculation. State with a reason whether the answer is an overestimate or an underestimate. I think you can do this question very easily. The reason is we have only taken 4 terms, and this thing is having how many terms? It is having 14 terms. So you can imagine that you keep on adding something and there is no negative. So you can write as there is no negative term, and we have only taken 4 terms. So definitely it is underestimated. So the solution is underestimate. So that's how you solve this kind of a question, and these are easy to solve. Try it. Hopefully you will get this kind of a question in exam.